Hi guys, in this video we will see how to secure notebooks in OneNote app on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you want to secure your notebooks in OneNote app, here are the process. Open OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app. OneNote app will now open. Here we will see how to secure notebooks. This is a notebooks. Here click on your notebooks. Now we will see how to secure it. Go to review from the top menu bar. Click on it and here you will find the option password. Click on it. Here password protection section, new section 1 is not password protected, set password. Click on set password and enter a password. Confirm password and click on OK. If you lose or forget the password, OneNote will not recover it. So you can see your notebook is successfully encrypted or password protected. Now go to review password. And if you want to change password, then change password also available. If you want to remove password, then remove password option also available here. Old password, enter new password, confirm password, and you can easily change your password as soon as. And you can also, if you want to remove password, then simply click on remove password, enter your current password and click on OK. Now your notebook is not protected, so you can easily protect or unprotect your notebook in OneNote app. That's all.